After years of waiting, delays, and disappointment, Apple's AI-powered Siri may finally be ready to shine thanks to a surprise deal with Google. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. We bet no one saw this coming, as the two tech giants confirmed a multi-year partnership that will put Google's Gemini AI models in the center of Apple's next-generation AI features, including a more personal Siri launching later this year. Yes, really. Apple's borrowing Google's brain. According to the announcement, Apple's future will be built on Google Gemini. Like, it's the most eyebrow-raising moment ever. Imagine, who would have thought Apple will admit that Google's AI is better? After a careful evaluation, Apple concluded that Google's AI provides the most capable foundation for Apple Intelligence. This is a statement that would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. It's a humbling moment for the Cupertino giant, but a huge win for frustrated iPhone users. Apple first teased its AI-powered Siri at WWDC 2024, claiming it'll be smarter than ever. The launch was originally planned for 2025, then pushed to spring's 2026. All these delays made Siri look outdated as rivals kept marching ahead. In the meantime, Google upgraded Gemini, Amazon rolled out Alexa Plus, and AI assistants leapt forward while Siri stood still. Rumors were first reported by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, suggesting Gemini might be Apple's only way out, and now they've been confirmed. On paper, this partnership could finally rescue Siri from irrelevance. The big questions remain, like when exactly will the new Siri arrive, and what happens to Apple's existing ChatGPT integration? Apple just swallowed its pride to save Siri, and for iPhone fans, that might be the smartest move yet. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Hey Apple fans! Siri's getting a major AI glow-up with help from OpenAI and Anthropic, and it can change everything. Is this Apple's boldest move yet? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this game-changing Siri upgrade. According to Bloomberg, Apple's eyeing OpenAI and Anthropic to supercharge Siri's AI running on Apple's private cloud compute servers, with iOS 26, iPadOS 26, and macOS 26 bringing AI features this fall. A smarter Siri could hit by 2026. Want the details? Keep watching. Apple is reportedly tapping third-party AI models from OpenAI, think ChatGPT, and Anthropic to revamp Siri, a big shift from their in-house Apple Foundation models. These models would run on Apple's secure chip-powered private cloud compute. This move mirrors Samsung's Galaxy AI, which blends Google's Gemini with proprietary tech. Is Apple opening up its ecosystem? Apple is shaking things up internally too. Craig Federighi, software engineering VP, now leads the AI teams, replacing John Gianandrea, while Mike Rockwell, the Vision Pro mastermind, heads the Siri team. The upgraded Siri likely won't arrive until 2026, but iOS 26, iPadOS 26, and macOS 26 will roll out lighter AI features this fall. Big things are brewing. This can make Siri smarter, faster, and more conversational, rivaling top AI assistants. Using OpenAI or Anthropic shows Apple's willing to collaborate for cutting-edge tech, while keeping privacy tight with private cloud compute. With iOS 26's AI tweaks coming soon, is Apple set to dominate the AI assistant game? Siri's AI upgrade is still in the works, but iOS 26's fall launch will give us a taste of Apple's AI future. Whether you're hyped for a ChatGPT-powered Siri or curious about iOS 26's features, this is huge. What's your dream Siri upgrade? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Apple's AI Siri overhaul. Are you stoked for a smarter Siri or excited for iOS 26's AI features? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What if your phone's AI could see what you see and outsmart Siri in real time? Google just dropped a massive upgrade to Gemini Live on Pixel 9 with live camera and screen sharing powers that are trending like crazy among Android fans. Stick around to see why this is the future of AI and why Apple's playing catch up. Hey tech fam, welcome back to GadInsider. Google's shaking things up. This week, they rolled out live camera and screen sharing features to Gemini Live on Pixel 9 devices, turning their AI into a real-time genius. Sources are already calling it a Siri killer for hands-on tasks. And trust me, this is worth the hype. Let's dive in. So what's new with Gemini Live? Picture this, you're holding your Pixel 9 and you point the camera at, say, a funky plant. Tap the Gemini Live button and boom, it's streaming live video to the AI. You ask, what's this? And it instantly tells you it's a monstera. Plus, care tips. No typing and no waiting. That's the camera upgrade powered by Project Astra Tech Google teased last year. But wait, it gets better. The screen sharing feature lets you show Gemini what's on your display like a recipe app and say, walk me through this. It sees your screen, guides you step by step, and even spots mistakes. Users tested it against Siri, and while Siri's stuck with voice commands, Gemini's tackling real-time tasks like a pro. Think troubleshooting a gadget or decoding a map on the fly. Why is this blowing up? Android users on X are losing it, and for good reason. This isn't just a cool trick, it's practical. Need help fixing a bike? Point your camera and Gemini talks you through it. Shopping online? Share your screen and it compares deals in real time. It's outpacing Siri because it's interactive. No more fumbling with vague voice prompts. Google's rolling this out free to all Pixel 9 users right now, and Gemini Advanced subscribers on other Androids are next. Posts on X are calling it the future of AI assistants, and sources say it's a leap towards making your phone a true problem solver. Sorry, Siri, it looks like Google's got the edge in 2025. Alright, let's have some fun. Imagine you're traveling with your Pixel 9 and you spot a weird statue. You fire up Gemini Live. What's it telling you? Or maybe you're building IKEA furniture and need a lifeline. How's it saving your day? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. I want to see how you'd use this. And if you're as obsessed with this upgrade as I am, smash that like button to let Google know we're all in for more AI magic. That's Gemini Live's camera upgrade, folks. Real-time AI that's trending for a reason. Pixel 9 crew, try it out now. Good news for iPhone users and Apple fans, because Apple and Google are reportedly joining hands to enhance Siri, its long-standing virtual assistant, by utilizing Google's Gemini artificial intelligence platform. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. We all know Siri's fallen behind its rivals like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, but it might now be improved with this possible collaboration. According to reports, to protect data privacy, Google's developing a unique AI model to run on Apple servers. Previously, Apple always considered on-device processing to keep the data within the company, but now the company is considering outsourcing certain AI functions to third-party providers such as OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google's Gemini. Due to technical difficulties, the enhanced Siri features, which were originally planned for release in iOS 18, were postponed until 2026. This upgraded Siri version will make use of advanced large language models like they're used in ChatGPT or Claude to make the users feel a human-like experience. But don't worry, because users' privacy has been the main focus Apple's AI development, with a keen interest in on-device processing to reduce data transmission. However, the company is now thinking about contracting out some AI functions to outside models, like the popular AI models we use daily. Apple could provide a better Siri experience through a partnership with Google, possibly competing with Google Assistant. However, some Apple engineers are worried that outsourcing important aspects of Siri's intelligence could be interpreted as a sign that their work isn't valued. That's one way to look at it, but we know that Siri is lacking, and Apple's just trying to fix that. Do you agree with this? Drop your thoughts in the comments.